Can your boss force you to work overtime in Jamaica? And what really happens if you say no? Many workers are scared to refuse overtime because they don't want to lose their job. So let's break it down clearly. What the law says about refusing overtime in Jamaica. The first thing to understand is that overtime is not automatically mandatory. In Jamaica, whether you must work overtime depends on your employment contract, workplace policies, and the circumstances surrounding the request. It is important to check your contract for verification. Your contract may state your normal working hours, whether overtime is required, when overtime can be scheduled, how overtime is paid. Your contract sets the rule. If overtime is written into your contract, refusing it without good reason can cause issues. So, when can you reasonably refuse overtime? You may have a valid reason to refuse overtime if it was not agreed to in your contract. You were given little or no notice. You have legitimate personal obligations. The overtime is excessive or unreasonable. Health or safety would be affected. Remember that reasonableness matters. Let us now discuss emergencies versus normal practice as it relates to overtime. In genuine emergencies, such as safety risks, urgent repairs, or disaster recovery, employers may reasonably expect overtime. Emergencies should not be used to pressure workers regularly. Can you be disciplined for refusing overtime? If overtime is not in your contract, or requested unfairly, or imposed without notice, then disciplining you may be challenged as unfair. Discipline must be fair and reasonable. If you do work overtime, you should be paid at the agreed rate. Overtime must be clearly shown on your payslip. What should you do if overtime is a problem? If overtime demands become unreasonable, 1. Check your contract and policies. 2. Ask for clarification in writing. 3. Keep records of overtime requests. 4. Raise concerns professionally. And 5. Contact the Ministry of Labor and Social Security, MLSS, if needed. Refusing overtime does not automatically mean insubordination, but how and why you refuse matters. If this video helped you understand overtime better, like, subscribe, and share so more Jamaican workers know their rights. Stay informed. Stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.